Sometimes when you're touring like I am now, there are things that you would like to do you don't want to miss. For example, today we are playing Nigeria in the World Cup, our football team. Our first World Cup in football. Imagine that, a nation of 320,000 people. 340,000 people. Ish. So obviously, you know, I don't want to miss that. And so I just set up shop here. Now I'm in Snæfellsnes Peninsula to shoot, but you know, football comes first. So I will need to do that. So I'll just find my spot to watch the game on my cell phone, and you know, I will do the things that needs to be done, you know, to support our boys. I will do the Viking clap and I will cheer them on. And obviously I'm gonna let the referee know if he's doing it wrong. But it's a beautiful time when we are, you know, competing at this level and the nation comes together as one, you know. It's a beautiful thing. We lost the game and I don't care. I don't give a damn about football. I just, you know, it's expected of everybody to watch it and that's what I did. What are you looking at? What has it to do with photography? Well, you know the old saying, no, it doesn't matter if you lose today, it doesn't matter if you lose today, if you don't lose tomorrow. I'm gonna go shoot.